welcome back to the Dencrn channel. My name is Den. Today, it's a keyboard unboxing and review. I'm finally getting into the keyboard master race. So I've got a Keychron K8. I'm on my way to go get it. I'm not in the normal setup, ignore the very loud noise. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Hello, please. Yeah. Thank you very much. See ya. Okay, keyboard, it's time for you to get replaced. Okay, I'm back from getting the parcel now. This is the Keychron K8 10 keyless keyboard. I've only got this in the white backlight version because I do not care about RGB, as I've mentioned, I think, in the intro. So the only thing I've done with this is change the Option Command keys to the Windows keys. That's actually all I've done. But other than that, this entire experience is basically out of box. So I'm going to open this just like an Apple package. Nightmare to open. There we go. Get rid of that foam with that. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay. So, Keychron K8. It says, if you're a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps in the box and follow the instructions below to find and place the following keycaps. Already done that, thanks Keychron. But there is software for this keyboard, which I will be installing. As you can see, here are the keys that for Mac, as well as a orange brightness key. The USB-C cable. And one thing I will agree or admit is that the keyboard USB-C cable is on the left side. Why? You know, actually, hold on. I'm gonna uncoil this braided cable, that down to the side. I wish it was a little longer, but it's not too bad. And then obviously you get your keycap puller as well with that, which I've already used. I'll put that to the side with this as well, the keycaps. It's useful if I ever want to go to a Mac, basically. I'm gonna take this out. This is basically the manual, I think. I don't even know, but I don't really need it because it's a keyboard. Let me unravel it, and you'll notice it comes with this plastic. This is basically to keep dust off it, which is what I'm gonna use this plastic as well. So I'm gonna put that down. I'm gonna also take the plastic off and put it somewhere. Should be everything for the box. So we can move that now. We can do this. Then I'm gonna do a keyboard sound comparison compared to my old keyboard, which is the Logitech G512. So, it's been a week since I purchased the Keychron K8, and from the keyboard test that you just saw just then, it sounds wonderful. It just sounds amazing compared to the Logitech G512 with the worst keyboard switches I think I've ever heard. But yeah, this has been my unboxing of the Keychron K8. The next video, well, all I'm going to say is that it involved one of these. I may have a G502 in the mail on its way, so stay tuned for that. Thank you all very much for watching this Dencrn video. If you haven't enjoyed it and you want to see more, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.